Papa walang saying goodbye kasi? Anak, you sleeping kasi. That's why. You sleeping! We sent Papa in Pierre and Port. But, ikaw sleeping kasi. That's why Papa walang saying goodbye. Only kiss. Papa kissing you, di ba? But ikaw sleeping kasi. That's why Papa walang wake up you. Why angry? You're sleeping kasi, anak. That's why Papa walang saying goodbye. But Papa kiss you on forehead. Oh? Papa come back soon. Next month. Do not worry. Do not angry. Papa come back soon next month. And then, again, playing hide and seek. You want? You want playing hide and seek with Papa? Oh, next month. Papa meron, okay? Do not angry anymore.